we'll guide you through how to integrate payments in Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix website dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Settings option on the left-hand side and click on it. In the Settings menu, find Accept Payments and select it. This is where you'll set up your payment methods. You'll see various options like Wix Payments, PayPal, or manual payments. Choose Wix Payments if you want an integrated solution with multiple payment methods like credit cards and debit cards. Click on Connect next to Wix Payments and follow the instructions to set it up, which may include entering your business and bank account details. If you prefer using PayPal, click Connect next to it and log into your PayPal account to authorize it. Make sure to review the terms and conditions before completing the setup. Once you have connected your preferred payment method, you can go back to your site editor and add a store or booking feature if you haven't already. In the Store Manager, you can add products or services that you'd like your customers to purchase. Remember to set the prices and make sure everything looks good. Finally, preview your site to make sure the payment methods are working correctly and that your customers can easily check out. Don't forget to test a transaction to ensure everything is set up properly. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now ready to accept payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.